Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, user profile service failed. The sign in user profile cannot be loaded. Fix updated. Hold Shift key and click Restart. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click Startup Settings. Press F4 to enable safe mode. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type WMIC space, user account space, get space, domain name sid. Find your login username and SID, in my case username is Murugan S. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows NT, click and expand current version, click profile list. Find and match with SID. Open File Explorer. This PC, C drive. Click View, Options, click View tab. Check Show Hidden Files and Folders. Open Users folder, open Username folder. Find User Profile Path folder. Open Profile Image Path. Profile Image Path value data is same as User Profile folder path. First step is SID contain no BOC extension. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as ref count, Change value data to 0. Second step is if SID having Bach extension. Make sure to check profile image path is same as profile folder path. Delete only .Bach extension. Open ref count value data is 0. Third step is if SID having Bach and without Bach extension. Simply delete SID without Bach extension. Delete only .Bach extension. Make sure to check profile image path is same as profile folder path. Make sure ref count value data is 0. Close and exit registry editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.